Partiineko, and I'm back with another freaking video. And I feel like it's been a while since I sat down and made a video. I'm so excited to do a video for you guys. Hope you guys have been well. So today's video is going to be opening a smart art. Wow. Opening a smart art box. So as some of you guys know, I partnered up with Smart Art Box, so they send me a box to review and I make a video and I give my honest opinions about it. So I'll let you guys know. The last Smart Art Box was really dope and I'm really excited to see what they sent in this box. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box and what kind of art I'm gonna make, stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, and join the party gang. I'm on the road to 5K, so it would be really helpful if you would just tap in and subscribe and join the party gang. And yeah, let's get right on into opening the Smart Art Box. I'm just so excited, and thanks again, Smart Art Box, for working with me and sending me your beautiful box. And I'm super excited to make some art with it. Okay, so let's get right on into the unboxing of the video. Okay, so I think I already took the tape off, whatever I need to take off, so that we can get right on into the box. So I need to find the front part of it. There we go. Okay, let's go. Let's zoom you guys out just a bit. And ba-dam! Beautiful orange box. We love that. And here we go. Oh my god, it's a painty kind of box. Honestly, I've been getting right back into painting and stuff, so I'm super excited. Okay, we're just gonna put this to the side for now. Okay. You have a little painting palette. I really wanted another painting palette, so I'm super excited to have this. Super excited. And then we have some like calligraphy brushes. Fun fact, I really love calligraphy brushes. Awesome, love calligraphy brushes. And then we have some Spectrum Noir Illustrator. I believe these are Acapel based twin tip artist markers. Honestly, I've always wanted to try these markers, so I'm super excited to have these. And then we have the candy. Yep. And then, oh, we got some Higgins fountain pen India. I guess this is some Indian ink. Wow, I didn't expect to get a whole thing of Indian ink. That's a lot. Wow. Okay, Smart Art Box. Oh my god. All right, and the next thing we have is a Tombow, probably like a liner in a way, I guess. Yes. And then in the bottom we have the Masa 8x10 sheet paper in here. So I'm assuming this is just paper in the pack. So let's take that out. So those are the items so far. I love how the box is so secure. Oh, there's a sticker. Love. Focus on it. Focus. There's a sticker. Okay, and just love how secure this box is. Alright, that's the box. Let's look through the pamphlet real quick. I love, like I said in my last video, I love how they give a lot of details about the certain project tools. There's some history in here. There's some ways to test out the inks and stuff. I love how descriptive this book is, and I feel like for people who are just starting out as an artist, this is a really nice addition to the package. And I'm really excited. This looks like the people in this have done somewhat of a like ink kind of drawing, and maybe we'll use the markers for accents and stuff. And yeah, if you guys want to join the monthly Smart Art weekly prompt, it's actually cherry blossoms, bamboo, dragon, and bird. So those are the prompts. That's really cool, honestly. Maybe I should try to do one of them this time. Anyways, I really love this pamphlet, and it's recyclable, which is amazing. Love you. You guys are doing great things. Okay, so these are all the items we have. The paper. Oh, I forgot to get what kind of paper this is. Let me go back to the pamphlet. Okay, they sent us the masa paper by Legion paper. Legend or Legion. I actually have like two sketchbooks that are mini sketchbooks that are from that brand, and they are amazing paper. So I'm super excited to open up the package right here and feel the feel of the paper. I'm excited to do that. And it's 8x10, which is really nice. And they give you 10. Wow. The retail price for that is $7.39. And like I was saying with the Spectrum Noir markers and also the ink and stuff, everything is just like, you know, pricey, but like you get it all in a smart art box. Hey, it's a steal to me. Voiceover Neko here, and I'm ready to start using these materials. I was super excited when I seen ink, and I already went ahead and swatched out the colors and stuff and played around with the brush sizes in the Indian ink, as you guys can see here. Yeah, so making the swatch paper was pretty easy. Like I said, I basically used the iPad to do the line art for this drawing. I mapped it out. I used the prompts from the pamphlet, which were really helpful. I haven't actually drawn these type of cherry blossoms before, so I was kind of skeptical, but I feel like they came out alright. I like how I like the concept behind the pictures, so I was pretty happy with that. And I wish I had more colors that matched the theme I was going for, so that's why I feel like I kind of leaned on making it more monochromatic. But the markers work really nice. They're dual tip, has a brush tip, has a bullet nib side, which is cool. I'm using this ruby color to do the branches because it comes off on the paper a little more brown, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna use that for the branch section. And then I think I went in with burgundy for the pinkish kind of part that would be on a blossom, but I just made them red because I just wanted to make sure I was using more of the supplies from the box. So yeah, I just put it in like that. And I mean, it was fun coloring it. It was very relaxing. Actually, drawing this was pretty relaxing. I haven't done something like this in a while. It was kind of refreshing to do. That's why I kind of like when I get these art boxes or when I get new art supplies, because it kind of like makes me have to maneuver my creativity because I've been drawing on my iPad for a very long time. So yeah, I like doing that. And then coloring the flowers is good. What I did try to do off cam was I tried to like stretch the alcohol marker with like water. I probably could have used a little bit of alcohol to make like the reddish color of the blossoms, but I was like, no, I don't want to cheat like that. I mean, it's not cheating, there's no rules, but I thought it would be kind of cool to like try to flex up like that. But you know, it wasn't whatever, but I still liked it. I haven't drawn a bird in a very long time, or like never, so I was kind of skeptical. And yeah, but like the overall composition I do like, and that's the first for me because I usually don't like half the stuff I draw sometimes. But maybe because this is just so out of my like area right now, so I'm just kind of happy to like just create something that's outside of the realm of the things I usually draw and actually like have a like for it. So yeah, I was happy about that. I liked using the ink. The ink was fun. It gave me very much ink wash type, ink drawing moment right there. It was the ink for me. I like the Indian ink a lot. I like that it's water based. I did have a little bit of bleeding going on around certain areas. As I did say earlier, I did print this out. So there was a bit of bleeding, but I was able to fix that up with the Tombow liner, which was fun. And I feel like although there was bleeding, it still added a little kind of like, I don't know, character to the drawing. So I was just happy with that. So I was like, yay. I mean, beautiful mistake or beautiful like phenomenon, whatever. What does Bob Ross say? like, happy mistakes or some shit like that. But yeah, I actually did have a lot of fun, and I hope you guys are enjoying the new editing style. I tried a little different thing in the beginning. Like, I just feel like I wanted to make my art videos more interesting, so I am going through a phase where I am trying to make my art videos more interesting instead of having them just film one shot, no different angles. I mean, yeah, I'm trying to finesse, trying to do it. So y'all let me know like what other things you want to see me do. And yeah, I mean, I think my favorite part of doing this was actually just doing the inking portion, because I just haven't done something like this in a long time. And in the last art box video, I actually enjoyed the last one too, because I haven't used like graphite in a long I couldn't even get the word out. I haven't used graphite in a long time, so doing that graphite drawing in the first unboxing video was really fun too. So I'm just happy. So thank you to Smart Art Box for sending me this box, because I actually really enjoyed it. It was actually really fun. I'm looking forward to next month if they're gonna want to partner up again. Yeah, let me know if you guys actually like art box subscription videos. I mean, I used to have the Scroller box, but I didn't really like, every month I didn't like the stuff I got that much, and then some months was hit or miss. But Smart Art Box 2 months in a row, I'm actually very satisfied and actually like the art that I did for the video. So it's really surprising. But I hope you guys enjoyed the speed paint. I hope it wasn't too fast. Let me know in the comment section below if it was too fast, too slow, or whatever. And yeah, I'm going to transport you guys over to real-time Neko, because this is voiceover Neko, and I'm just gonna bow out real quick. Okay. We'll see you guys in the outro. Okay, bye. Yep, so that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Smart Art Box unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the new editing style. I tried some different things, and yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'll be waiting. Hit the like button and subscribe. Join the party gang, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you leave in the comment section below any types of video you guys want to see me do. I primarily do art content and vlog stuff, lifestyle advice, all that good stuff. So let me know in the comment section below. Have a great day. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.